Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Xiaomi 14T and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. Start of opening settings application in it. Scroll and choose additional settings selection and their accessibility. Now we tap on our vision and choose our magnification, where we must turn on our shortcut magnification, confirm by OK, and we have our shortcut which position we can easily change by tap on it and swipe with it on screen. You can zoom our screen by tap on our shortcut and tap on screen. To change position of that, use two finger and swipe with it on screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out, or when you use only one finger you can go up and down in our zoom. To turn off, press again on your shortcut. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!